So you want to download Vegas Pro 18 for free, and here's how to do it. So in the description of this video you will find a link, this link up here. It will lead you to this page with the Vegas Pro 18 setup.exe. It's only 263 megabytes, so it should download fairly quickly depending on your download speed. I'm going to start the download, and I'll be right back once it downloads. Okay, so it downloaded. I'm going to you can download it whatever you want. I'm gonna download it on my downloads right here. I mean, I already have it downloaded, so set up like that, save, there you go, downloads. Okay, now when you get to here, there's this little box that you had to untick, because if you leave this ticked, it's gonna download some adware and so basically a virus. So untick it, make sure it's unticked like this, and click on next. Select the English language, and if you want a shortcut on the desktop, and you can change the destination folder if you like. I just like to leave it like this. Install. And there you have it. Click OK, and I'm just gonna open it so that you can see it's actually working. And there you have it. As you can see, it's working, and that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comment section below, and yeah, peace out.